Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright, brothers, we are here with Mr. Little. Brother Little. Brother Little.
Yes.
Brother Little, what do you do here at the Shriners? What is your what is your function here?
Well, we try to raise awareness for the hospitals here. Me personally, I play the banjo in the hillbilly band.
Hillbillies. He gets to dress up like a homeless person. Me, I'm just a bum. This dude does it for fun.
That's right.
So, what is the purpose of the rodeo?
The rodeo is a fundraiser for Khedive Shrine and Shrine Hospitals.
And what do the Shrine Hospitals do?
Well, they take care of burned children and orthopedically challenged children, and they fix cleft palates, things like that, all free of charge.
These cats are out here doing the Lord's work. Now, there is a saying, so when we end up Ghost Lodge interviews with Meet the Mason, we generally say something to the effect of, never look down on anybody unless you're willing to help them up.
Absolutely.
But there is a saying in the shrine that's more powerful than that. And it's etched in stone out front. And
Sure
what is that saying?
No man stands so tall as when he stoops to help a child.
My folks, if that doesn't hit you right in the feels, I don't know what to tell you. But I haven't gotten to meet Andy in a while, and it's really good to be able to see him again. Brother, we always end Meet the Mason with a handshake, our secret Masonic handshake.
Oh, yeah.
But we never show them. We just kind of do
our work.
We do this.
That's right.
So if you want to know more about this stuff, all you have to do, folks, is ask a Mason. That's it. So definitely. See y'all later. Bye.
Preparation, good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day.